Today we're here at Nat's Palm Grove.
And today we're gonna learn how to make Nat's famous Johnny cakes.
Let's go!
Hi, Etne!
Hi folks, everybody. You can come into my kitchen. Flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, and cornmeal, some oil, and some water. I start with the flour, and then I add the other dry ingredients, the baking powder, and the salt, the sugar.
Is that your secret ingredient?
Yes. That's what makes my Johnny cakes over the top.
I think cornmeal too is a very special ingredient.
So the cornmeal gives it some extra texture?
Yes, it does. And you make a well and you pour the oil. You know, when we were growing up, we used to use butter instead, but butter can burn. Then we add the water. I add the water to the oil so that it could be distributed evenly. Water is something you can add water, but you can't take it away. So you add slowly. Each day, flour is different. It depends on humidity. But today is not really a humid day as such. So I'm going to go in here with my clean hands, and I'm going to do some kneading.
Wow, all made by hand, geez.
I just want it soft enough and not too sticky. This dough has to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Knead it. And then I take a knife and I cut about golf ball size pieces. You knead them. Some persons can knead them on their hand, or you can knead them on the board. Then you tuck it under, smooth it down, and then you flatten. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use your hands. When we were growing up as well, we did not have the use of the rolling pins. My mother would flatten them like this. In fact, she still does.
Your Johnny cakes are so puffy.
I've seen some Johnny cakes, especially even this festival. They were flat as a pancake and, you know, crispy. But I don't talk about other people's Johnny cakes. I know I make the best Johnny cakes. So. And then I put a little hole in the middle. It helps to cook the inside so you don't get one big puffy Johnny cake. So you take the flattened dough and you put it in hot oil. You don't want it too hot, but you don't want it, if it is too cold, it will soak up or drink up the oil, as we would say. Then we wait until it floats up on the top. And then once they start to float up, I immediately turn them. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the oil is hot, I let it fry now, brown on one side. And then I will turn it over a little bit and then turn it again. Flip it about twice.
My mouth is watering.
Better get more to know now.
Look at them bubbling through the middle of the hole.
Yeah. Guys, this smells so good. As always.
Oh, look at all those layers and how fluffy and crispy.
Could eat 50 of them. I have half already. You want to try?
Alright guys, that's how it's done.
If you make them at home, let us know in the comments below.
If you mess it up, just come on down to Palm Grove and they'll whip up a fresh batch for you.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
First time ever having one. Fantastic.
Thank you.